Hey guys, I'm Julian with 2Pro Beats and welcome to my studio life. Today I want to show you how you can master a track using Izotope Ozone 8. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and hit that notification button, drop a like, leave a comment, let's get into the video. First, let me play you just a few seconds of the track. The track is called My Own Wave, Charles Brian Lax, link in the description if you want to check him out.
My wave, I'm on my wave, you can ride my wave. So, yeah, you dope, I've been undefeated, I ain't never lost. Cash out at the mall, voicemail when she called. Just how they born exotics, names you can't even pronounce. I'ma be high in the clouds.
The first thing I want to try is to use the new Master Assistant. This feature is new in Ozone 8. They had something similar in Neutron 2, so they brought the intelligent assistant to the Ozone line, and I want to check what it really does to the track. Click Master Assistant and is asking what I'm going for. I'm gonna choose streaming because let's say I want to release the track for YouTube. Next, let's play the audio.
You can ride my wave. I'm on my wave. You cannot ride my wave. I'm on my
Engage the gain match. Whenever I bypass the plugin, will be at the same level, so we have a better understanding of what we are doing. With the processing done by the Master Assistant,
you can ride my wave. I'm on my wave. You cannot ride my wave. I'm on my wave. You can ride my wave. I'm on my wave. You cannot ride my wave. I'm on my wave. You can ride my wave. So.
I think you can get some pretty decent results by using the Master Assistant. Now I want to master the track myself. So let's see how that goes.
Wave. You cannot ride my wave. I'm on my wave. You can ride my wave. I'm on my wave. You cannot ride my wave. I'm on my wave. You can ride my wave. You dope. I've been undefeated, I ain't never lost. Cash.
A great thing about Ozone 8 is that you can use every single module in mid-sides. I'm hitting some nasty frequencies that I don't like in the low-mid range. Use the mid-side and I'm gonna try to remove that just from the mid. Soloing the mid.
I'm on my wave. You cannot ride my wave. I'm on my wave. You can ride my wave. I'm on my wave. You cannot ride my wave. I'm on my wave. You can ride my wave. So, yeah, you dope. I've been undefeated, I ain't never lost. Cash out at the mall, voicemail when she called. Just how they born exotics, names you can't even pronounce. I'ma be high in the clouds.
This is just the side. I will remove some bass from the sides. I don't want any bass frequency on the side. Some top end. I want to open the stereo width.
You can ride my wave. I'm on my wave. You can ride.
I'm feeling that the vocals are too low in the track, and I can bring them up a bit just by increasing some upper frequencies around 2, 3, 4K, that range. Let's see.
Ride my wave. I'm on my wave. You cannot ride my wave. I'm on my wave. You can ride my wave. So, yeah, you dope. I've been undefeated, I ain't never lost. Cash out at the mall, voicemail when she called. Just how they born exotics, names you can't even pronounce. I'ma be high in the clouds, probably been smoking that loud. Might have to turn this shit down. turn this down. I want time now. Tryna pull up on the check.
Let's go next for, let's see, the vintage tape to add some saturation. I'm feeling that the bass doesn't hit that hard. I'm trying to achieve a tighter low end by using the tape.
Undefeated, I ain't never lost. Cash out at the mall. Voicemail when she called. Decided for exotics. Names you can't even pronounce. I'ma be high in the clouds. Probably been smoking that loud. Might have to turn this down. Might have to turn this down. I want time now. Tryna pull up on the check.
The exciter is probably one of my favorite module from Ozone 8. I'm using the exciter not only in mastering, but I'm using it for mixing purposes, for synths is amazing, for any type of material that you want to add some width, because I usually processed in mid-side.
Probably been smoking that loud. Might have to turn this down. Might have to turn this down.
I'm gonna process the mids a bit aggressive. Everything I do in my videos is a bit aggressive, because if I try to be subtle, the subtle changes will not translate to YouTube and it will be very hard to hear. I'm gonna try to bring the vocals even more up front, from 1K to 5K range, and see how that sounds.
I want time now. Tryna pull up on the check. $1 billion mindset. Money, power, and respect. She up that Zanny, now she sued up. Ditch my old and got a new one. Get it for a drop, I'm also new. Upgraded from my old suit up. I'm on my wave. You cannot ride my wave. I'm on my wave. You can ride my wave. I'm on my wave. You cannot ride my wave. I'm on my wave. You can ride my wave. Get to the bag, get to the bag. If you in the way, put him on the slab. If you ain't got a bag, what you come around for? We do not fuck with you, bro. Money all on my mind. Every day, every night. On the go, I be grinding. On the go, I be grinding. Wrist look like a freezer. Yo, she want me to please her. Be sending me flexing my DM.
You have mix for every single band, so you can go a bit aggressive, and if you're feeling that it's just too much, just mix the original signal.
Telling me y'all are just friends. I'ma let her get it one day. Beat it up the right way. Baby's all in her face. I'ma let her ride on my way.
Now let's try adding a compressor.
I'm on my wave. You can ride my wave. I'm on my wave. You cannot ride my wave. I'm on my wave. You can ride my wave. Sauce. Yeah, the fuck you thought. I've been undefeated. I ain't never lost. Cash out at the mall. Voicemail when she called. Decided for exotics. Names you can't even pronounce. I'ma be high in the clouds. Probably been smoking that loud. Might have to turn this down. Might have to turn this down. I want time now. Tryna pull up on the check. $1 billion mindset. Money.
Let's try the imager. This module is another great one. It's used to enhance the stereo image. I think that Izotope released a free version. I will link that in the description if you want to check it out. You control the stereo width by frequency ranges. I can push the top end more to the sides, increasing the stereo depth.
You can ride my wave. You can ride my wave. I'm on my wave. You cannot ride my wave. I'm on my wave. You can ride my wave. I'm on my wave.
let's use the maximizer. Port variation, I'm gonna use the modern one, 1 dB of ceiling, because let's say I want to master the track for YouTube. You need some headroom for the compression that is made by YouTube, by Spotify, by all the streaming platforms. A new feature is the learn threshold. You set a target for the streaming platform in 14 loops. That's the standard. You hit the learn threshold. Let's see how that works.
I'm on my wave, you cannot ride my wave. I'm on my wave, yeah, ride my wave. Get to the bag, get to the bag. If you in the way, put him on the slab. If you ain't got a bag, what you come around for? We do not fuck with you, bro. Money all on my mind, every day, every night. On the go, I be grinding. On the go, I be grinding. Wrist look like a freezer. Yo, she want me to please her. Be sending me flicks in my DM, telling me y'all are just friends. I'ma let her get it one day. Beat it up the right way.
The codec feature, you have MP3 and AAC, and you can solo the artifacts and see what the compression will do to your track. Let's listen. So these are just the artifacts introduced by the compression, and you can make changes based on this.
Designing for exotics, names you can't even pronounce. I'ma be high in the clouds, probably been smoking that loud. Might have to turn this down. I want time now. Tryna pull up on the check. $1 billion mindset. Money, power, and respect.
The first thing I noticed is that the vocals are a bit too harsh.
Every day, every night. On the go, I be grinding. On the go, I be grinding. Wrist look like a freezer. Yo, she want me to please her. Be sending me flicks in my DM.
If the vocals are too harsh or a certain frequency messing the mix and the master, the new Spectral shaper, let's move it after the imager, and let's try and fix the harsh frequency from the vocal.
I'm on my wave, you cannot ride my wave. I'm on my wave, yeah, ride my wave. Get to the bag, get to the bag. If you in the way, put him on the slab. If you ain't got a bag, what you come around for?
And as you can see, I have the Spectral shaper working just on the mid side, because that's where the main vocal is.
We do not fuck with you, bro. Money all on my mind, every day, every night.
Now I think the track sounds pretty decent. This is something very fast, something very basic that I did. I think with Ozone 8 this is a complete solution now to master your tracks, and I think the master assistant is pretty decent. It's a good starting point that you can use. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe and hit that notification button. Thanks for the support, and see you guys next time. Cheers.